Welcome to Learning and Language Arts with Mrs. Jones. Today we're going to review citing textual evidence in our short answer response. So we use the acronym RACE, RACE, to remind us the steps in composing a well-composed short answer response. The R stands for restating the question. We talked about yesterday that we restate the question by rewording. So we take off the question words and we reword it into a statement. And then we answer the question. You need to make sure you are clear about what is being asked. This is why restating the question is so important, because we want to actually answer the questions being asked. So we need to be clear on that. Finally, we cite the source. And I would suggest that we use lead-ins like the text states, the author says. You can even identify what article it is coming from. And then explain your response. We're going to take a look at a quick passage about lions and the pride that they live in. So it says, lions live together in social groups called prides. Most of the lions in a pride are females and their cubs. The lionesses share the work of hunting and raising cubs. By hunting in a pack, lions can take down animals far larger than themselves. Much of the food killed by a pride is taken by the males. In return, they provide protection from other lions. A pride has a well-defined territory which is marked by the males. When lions in a pride meet, they greet one another by head rubbing, licking, and grooming. It's enduring to watch them. So we have a question. According to the article, is it important for lions to live as a pride? I'm going to show you an example of a well-composed short answer response using the race. So this would be the restatement. It is important for lions to live as a pride because. And the answer is they depend on one another for survival. For example, the article states that, and there are two citations. First, the lionesses share the work of hunting and raising cubs, and male lions provide protection from other lions. So those are two sources or two citations. And then we explain. They also work together when they hunt larger prey. By sharing responsibilities as a pride, they will be able to survive a long time. So we explain how this supports our answer, that they depend on each other for survival. I'm going to give you an article called Atmospheric Layers. And I want for you to read through this article. And then I want you to ask the question, or answer the question, which layer of the atmosphere has most of the air? So I want for you to pause and practice. So I want you to read through the article, and then I want you to come back and see if your response aligns with what my response is like. So, as you have read the article, you would have noticed that in the article, in the third paragraph, it talks about the troposphere. And in the troposphere, we see, let me get this highlighter out and select, I like yellow. So we can see that it says about 3/4 of the Earth's atmosphere, or air, the atmosphere's air, is also found in the troposphere. So 3/4 is a large amount of the air. So we know that the troposphere is where most of the air is found. So your response should look something like this. I don't want a highlighter. Get rid of that. I want a pen. So, all right, so I'm having a hard time here. The layer with my goodness. The most air is the troposphere. And it looks like I'm going to run out of room. Troposphere. In the article, this is really ridiculous. I apologize that I can't write on here, but in the article it states, and you're going to say something about, you're going to draw pictures all over the board. We're not going to do that. I'm going to write something about how it states that three-fourths of the air is found here. Now, here is where I don't think we need more than this one citation, but now we need to explain it. This is the majority of the atmosphere air, and I'm running out of room. So you're going to check to see. Therefore, I know that, I know that, and you're going to finish off with your explanation. Does your answer look something like mine? Probably. It looks much better than mine. I apologize for that, but you're going to check to make sure that you answered that question. Okay, that's all I have for you today. I will be checking question number 2, so make sure you answer that. And if you have any other questions, please come to me and check in with me. Thank you.